Who's that?
Who's that?
It's Eagle Piggle.
That's your sticker book. Look. Wow, did you find all those stickers? And he's just going to quickly see what Daisy's up to because she's doing her time. What are you doing, Relaxant? Out with yum, thank you. I know that says your name on it. I don't think you need it right this minute, do you? And...
Oh, sorry, Daisy.
How's that?
Are you on your trike?
Are you doing the wheels, the pedals?
Give her a quick push, Mummy.
Do, do, do. Woo!
Here you go. You're off.
Yay!
Oh. What do you think?
You're holding on good, aren't you? You're holding the handlebars. Daisy, why don't you sit down with that silly thing? Do, 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 do. Do-do. Yay. Oh, excuse me, Daisy. Do, 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 do. Whee! We'll take you out for a walk with us later. Do, 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 do. Whee! Yay! Ready? Whee! Whee! Yeah! Yay! You can sit this all day.